head gasket is a critical component of your engine and is located where the most combustion is created. If the combustion chamber is not sealed correctly, there will be a noticeable change in the performance of your diesel engine. Here are the most common symptoms you'll see with a blown head gasket. Pushing coolant out of the radiator, you have coolant in your engine oil, low or no compression, decrease in engine performance, extreme heat, or losing water. Blown head gaskets are due to thermal push from extreme heat, or poor surface conditions can lead to the failure of the gasket. Highway and Heavy Parts offers a number of different head gasket options for your Cat C15. Be sure to like the video and smash that subscribe button to stay up to date with HHP on YouTube. If you have any questions about today's video, submit a comment below or chat with us on highwayandheavyparts.com. Or you can talk to me or any of the other service techs from HHP at 844-447-1453. From diagnosis through delivery, we're Highway and Heavy Parts.